Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you the remedy you will use to grow your front hair. If you're having hair breakage or your front hair is peeling off or is falling off, please, I will show you what you need to use. You don't have to feel less concerned about it. Like, you can still grow it back. I used it on my front hair. It's grown my front because after weaving or after braiding my hair, I will notice that my hair has been falling off. But recently my hair didn't fall off because I normally apply that remedy on my front hair. This remedy is very, very effective, and you have to be consistent in using it. You will use it for like 2 good weeks and you will see perfect results for it. See, my front hair is even grow like this. Like, it's very, very big. If I lose my hair now, you will see how it has grown. So you don't need to feel less concerned again. It will help you to grow your front hair again.
You're going to be needing is this thing. This is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil is very, very good in growing hair. Olive oil contains many things in it, many nutrients in it that will help you to grow your hair. So what you need is this olive oil. That is the first ingredient you need. You can just measure just a teaspoonful of this olive oil. This one should be enough. Just measure a teaspoon of it. It depends on how long you want to use it. So once you have measured it, then you'll be needing another ingredient that you can use to boost it up for proper hair growth. Not only that it will grow your front hair, it will stop hair breakage as well. Be needing another ingredient, which is fenugreek oil. Just add a teaspoon of fenugreek oil to it, to this extra virgin olive oil. Once you have added it, then you have to mix these 2 ingredients together. Then you have to properly massage it on your hair calf, on your scalp, like anytime you feel like. Use it as a leave-in. No need to wash it off. It works and it will help you to grow your hair as well. Stop hair breakage, grow your front hair, and also help to stop dandruff.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friend, and like this video. Like I said, use this remedy on your hair. It will help to grow your front hair, stop hair fall and hair breakage. Remember to use extra virgin olive oil, no other olive oil, because extra virgin olive oil is perfect for hair growth. So remember to subscribe, share, and like. Thanks for watching. See you on my next upload.